Hey everybody, Monica here from Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the air filter in a 2010 to 2014 Subaru Outback. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2011 Subaru Outback, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Outback models from 2010 to 2014, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and pop the hood. You'll see the air filter housing to your left toward the front of the engine bay. Use your 8mm socket to loosen the clamp on the large hose. Gently work this hose off the housing. Disconnect the connector from the mass airflow and intake air temperature sensor and remove the clip. Release the two clips on top of the housing and pull the two halves apart. This will give you access to the air filter inside. Carefully remove the old air filter from the housing. Clean out any dirt or debris from inside the unit. Compare your new air filter with your old one to make sure it's the right one. Install your new filter, making sure it's properly seated all the way around. Bring the two halves back together and secure them with the two clips on top. Fit the large hose back onto the opening of the housing and secure it using your 8mm socket to tighten the clamp. Reattach the clip and the connector from the mass airflow and intake air temperature sensor. Close the hood, and that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.